bestbookbits.com brings you 5-minute books. Today we're going through How I Raised Myself from Failure to Success in Selling by Frank Bettger. On with the summary. Enthusiasm alone did it. Nothing but enthusiasm. I firmly believe enthusiasm is by far the biggest single factor in successful selling. Force yourself to act enthusiastic and you become enthusiastic. Selling is the easiest job in the world if you work it hard, but the hardest job in the world if you try to work it easy. Join a good course in public speaking. When you lose your fear of speaking to an audience, you lose your fear of talking to individuals. Try to find out what people want and then help them get it. That is one big secret of selling anything. Now, this free summary is made possible by the followers of Best Book Bits who took new action and partnered with me on their goals in business. They joined my personal evolution coaching program. Work with me privately one-on-one now for coaching and consulting. Connect with me over Zoom for 15 minutes using the calendar link below or directly email me at bestbookbits@gmail.com with the headline Personal Evolution and step into your next evolution now. Make appointments. Create confidence with people. Be an assistant buyer. People don't like to be sold, they like to buy. If you were my own brother, I'd say to you what I'm going to say to you now. One of the best ways to get men to think is to ask them questions. If you just get him to keep talking, he will help you sell him. A man generally has two reasons for doing a thing, one that sounds good and a real one. Try looking straight into the face of the next person who speaks to you with eager, absorbed interest. The shortcut to popularity is to lend everyone your ears instead of giving them your tongue. Cultivate the art of asking questions. Find the key issue, the most vulnerable point, then stick to it. Deserve confidence. This is the age of specialization. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Know your business and keep on knowing your business. I will speak ill of no man and speak all the good I know of everybody. Praise your competitors. Clothes don't make the man, but they do make 90% of what you see of him. If you would win a man to your cause, first convince him that you are his sincere friend. Encourage young men. Help a man see how he can be a success in life. Open your conversation with a big smile and feel the difference. Over-talking is one of the worst of all social faults. A salesman cannot know too much, but he can talk too much. When you're scared, admit it. The approach is the most difficult step in the sale. The first and probably the most important step in selling anything. Sell yourself first. Sell yourself first. The foundations of sales lies in getting interviews. When a salesman stops making enough calls, frequently the real reason is he has lost interest and enthusiasm for his own sales story. One demonstration is worth more than 1,000 words. Never forget a customer. Never let a customer forget you. New customers are the best source of new business. New customers. Sell them, don't forget them. If you take care of your customers, they'll take care of you. Play position for the next shot. Appeal for action. Welcome objections. Remember, the best prospects are those who offer objections. Cultivate a little the don't care habit. Don't worry about what people may think. This will endear you to others and make you liked and loved by all the more. My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. Thomas Edison had 10,000 failures before he invented the incandescent bulb. Edison made up his mind that each failure brought him that much closer to success. Failure means nothing at all if success comes eventually, and that's a thought that should cheer you up and help you keep on keeping on when the going seems hard. Keep going. Each day, each week, each month, you are improving. One day soon, you'll find a way to do the thing that today looks impossible. It was Shakespeare who wrote, "Our doubts are traitors and makes us lose the good we oft might win by fearing to attempt." Courage is not the absence of fear, it is the conquest of it. And last, my 13 virtues: enthusiasm, order, self-organization. Think in terms of others' interest, questions, key issue, silence, listen, sincerity, deserve confidence, knowledge of my business, appreciation and praise, smile, happiness. Remember names and faces, service and prospecting, and last, closing the sale action. Now that's a wrap on this summary. Now, if you want the complete full summary in PDF, click the link below to download this. Remember, you are only as good as the people around you and the coaches you get. So if you need some coaching, if you're sick of doing life and goals all by yourself, whether you have a business, don't have a business, want to write a book, have a book, want to sell more copies, want to make more money, connect with me now for 15 minutes using the link below, or send me an email at bestbookbits@gmail.com with the headline Personal Evolution Coaching, and let's connect together. Thanks for watching and listening. Have yourself an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye now.